Hello everyone! In today's episode we will talk how to buy your first classic car. So, it's very important three things. There are what car you want to buy, best place to buy your car, and how to buy. So, as I mentioned it in my previous episode, every 2 weeks I will do such a video where I will try to educate you how to buy classic cars online. So in general, what car to buy, it's a big important question. Maybe you want to buy your childhood dream from the 70s, 80s or 90s, or maybe you want to buy a car from the movie. Just imagine, for example, Aston Martin DB5 from James Bond movie, or Lotus Esprit from the same movie. Or maybe you would like to get some muscle car, let's say Trans Am from the movie, what's it called, Smoking a Bandit. Or maybe you like DeLorean from Back to Future. Many other options, you know. Or the car I like, for example, 1973 XB GT Ford Falcon from the first Mad Max movie that you can only find in Australia with modification. So if you know exactly what is your dream car, what car you want to buy, it's already very good. Or maybe you know you don't have a particular model and you just want to buy a classic car as a good investment and just, you know, to have a joyriding weekends and sell it later after 5 years and get profit. So you can go, you know, on a Hagerty.com and just check, you know, there are affordable classic car index where you can find like a Volkswagen Beetle, MGB, Porsche 914 or Volkswagen Karmann G. There are lots of options, and you have to find out to answer this question for yourself. What car you would like to get? And after you already know what car you wanna, we have a second question. Where to look for that particular car? It means what is the best place? The best place geographically, what is the best market for that car? We all know, of course, if you want a Ford Mustang, we're gonna look on online auctions, Copart, EAA, or just browse the Craigslist classifieds in US. If you want to buy Volkswagen Beetle here in Europe, you will go to look in Sweden and Finland where is the best prices for the moment. Or maybe you're looking Alfa Romeo and you need to look in Italy. Or maybe some British people find very good deals in South Africa. Nowadays a very big trend is to go to Colombia and buy Toyota FJ40s. Or to go to Brazil, as I dream, to go and buy some rare Volkswagens and bring from Brazil. Every particular model has own market and the best places to buy. So this is a second important question to answer. And after we know what car and model and what year you want to buy, we determine where is the best place to buy. And third thing, how to buy. This is what I talked last time and now about buying online nowadays, because nobody has time to travel to check and so on, because specific car has specific market and even now you don't know where you will need to look. So nowadays everything goes online and here you need to have knowledge and experience in this stuff. So this is where all my videos will be about that, and I will help you to buy your first classic car. So if you have any question, please comment, ask me, I promise to help you. You know, so first question, how to buy, is about the local classifieds. Maybe, you know, you should try to look OLX, where is a worldwide classifieds by the country, or you use a Facebook groups for that purpose, or other places. So this is very important, and this is the three first questions to answer. So I hope you liked my video and you are interested in this process to get the knowledge, to learn, and I promise I will pass my knowledge and experience to you, and we will go through all this together and we will buy your first classic car. So please subscribe my channel and I hope to see you next time. So greetings from Vilnius and bye.